Looking to transform your TV into the ultimate entertainment hub? Android 15.0 TV boxes are here to make your screen with faster performance, smarter AI features, and seamless streaming like never before. Whether you're binge watching, gaming, or browsing apps, choosing the right TV box can change your entertainment experience. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the best one? That's why, in this video, we reveal the top 5 best Android 15.0 TV boxes that will elevate your viewing experience, excellent speed, and amazing performance, fit your budget, and keep you ahead of the tech curve. Check the links in the description to find your favorite one. The 5th product on our list is TiVo Stream 4K. The TiVo Stream 4K is your one-stop streaming solution, built to make watching your favorite content simple, faster, and fun than ever. Forget juggling multiple apps and remotes. With TiVo Stream 4K, you get one central hub for everything: searching, browsing, and building watch lists across all your streaming services. TiVo's smart recommendation system breaks down the walls between platforms. Whether your next favorite show is on Netflix, Disney+, Prime Video, HBO Max, Peacock, Sling, or one of the thousands of apps on the Google Play Store, it's right there in one place. No app hopping, no wasted time, just hit play. The integrated Google Assistant takes it up a notch. Simply say what you want to watch, and it's ready. You can even ask it to launch apps, dim your smart lights, check the weather, or show live security camera feeds hands-free without ever leaving your seat. This box is a compact HDMI plug-and-play device that delivers crisp 4K resolution for your favorite shows and movies. It runs smoothly over Wi-Fi and has a low power draw of just 5 watts, making it energy efficient. It's no wonder Time magazine named it one of the best inventions, and PC Mag calls it an excellent media streamer for TV lovers. From live TV to on-demand movies, everything's within reach, organized, personalized, and incredibly easy to navigate. If you're ready to simplify your streaming setup and enjoy all your entertainment in one smart, powerful device, the TiVo Stream 4K is a game changer for your living room. The 4th place on our list is Xiaomi TV Box S 2nd Generation. The Xiaomi TV Box S 2nd Generation is the fastest, smartest, and more immersive home entertainment tool that you can buy. It's compact yet powerful, able to deliver crystal clear 4K Ultra HD visuals with vibrant colors and stunning detail. With Dolby Vision and HDR10+, every scene pops with lifelike brightness, contrast, and color accuracy, whether you're bringing your favorite series or watching blockbuster movies. The sound quality is just as impressive. Dolby Atmos and DTS HD surround you with cinematic 3D audio, making you feel like you're right in the middle of the action. Under the hood, a quad-core CPU and high-performance GPU keep everything smooth, while 2 GB RAM plus 8 GB storage give you space for your must-have apps. This TV box is run on Google TV, pulls together all your streaming services into one personalized interface. And with Google Assistant, you can search, launch apps, and even control your smart home with your voice. The 360-degree Bluetooth and IR remote means quick access from any angle, while Chromecast built-in lets you cast photos, videos, and music straight from your phone. The dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.2 keep streaming fast and pairing devices simple. With HDMI 2.1, USB 2.0, and audio output, you've got plenty of options for expanding your setup. Whether it's streaming, gaming, or smart home control, the Xiaomi TV Box S 2nd Generation turns any TV into a powerful entertainment hub that can deliver premium performance in a sleek, compact design. The 3rd product on our list is the Amazon Fire TV Cube 3rd Generation. The Fire TV Cube 3rd Gen is Amazon's fastest ever streaming media player, built for those TV lovers who want speed, power, and total control. With its super quick octa-core processor, it's twice as powerful as the Fire TV Stick 4K Max apps launch in a flash, and navigation feels effortless. You don't even need a remote. With hands-free Alexa, built-in mics, and speakers, you can control your TV, soundbar, and receiver just by speaking even from across the room. And with AI-powered Fire TV search, finding what to watch has never been smarter. Ask Alexa to find movies by actor, plot, or even a famous quote try, "Alexa, show me action movies with car chases." You can switch between devices seamlessly. Just connect your cable box, game console, or webcam and jump between them without fuss. Also, it's the first ever streamer with Wi-Fi 6E, giving you smoother, more stable streaming. The visuals of this TV box is just absolutely stunning. You'll enjoy true-to-life 4K with Dolby Vision and HDR and Dolby Atmos audio for a fully cinematic experience. And with over 1.8 million movies and TV episodes from Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, Peacock, and more, you'll never run out of entertainment. It's also built for privacy with a dedicated mic off button. And when you're not streaming, Alexa helps you to manage your smart home, start video calls, check your Ring cameras, get the weather, and more, all right on your TV. If you want the best accessible combo of speed, data, and stunning picture quality, the Amazon's Fire TV Cube can be the ideal choice. The second product on our list is the NVIDIA Shield Android TV Pro. The NVIDIA Shield TV Pro is the ultimate premium Android TV streaming media player. It's built for those entertain lovers who want nothing less than the best. Powered by the Tegra X 1 Plus processor, it upgrades your HD content to breathtaking 4K in real time with next-gen AI upscaling, so every scene looks sharper, crisper, and more lifelike. With Dolby Vision HDR and Dolby Atmos, your home theater comes alive. That can deliver ultra-vivid pictures and immersive 3D surround sound that pulls you into the action. You get the widest range of 4K HDR content: Netflix, Amazon Video, Apple TV+, Disney+, YouTube, Hulu, and more, all streaming in stunning detail. Also, this box's built-in Chromecast 4K makes sharing from your phone effortless. This TV box isn't just a streamer, it's also a beast. With GeForce Now Cloud Gaming, you can instantly tap into 1,000 plus PC titles and the latest free-to-play hits. Upgrade to the RTX 3080 membership for 4K HDR gaming with ray tracing, DLSS graphics, and ultra-low latency. The Shield TV Pro also doubles as a Plex media server with 3 GB RAM, 16 GB storage, and 2 USB 3.0 ports for adding storage, cameras, keyboards, controllers, and more. You can control it very easily. The built-in Google Assistant and hands-free support for Alexa let you play shows, see your security cameras, adjust smart lights, check the weather, and so much more just with your voice. If you're ready to upgrade your living room to the pinnacle of streaming and gaming performance, the NVIDIA Shield TV Pro is not just high-end, it's outstanding. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product name is the Google TV Streamer 4K. The Google TV Streamer 4K is your all-in-one ultimate entertainment hub that is designed to make streaming faster, easier, and perfectly tailored to you. Right out of the box, you'll notice the 22% faster processor and double the memory compared to the previous generation. Add 32 GB of storage, and you've got room for all your favorite apps without constantly deleting things. From the moment you plug it in with an HDMI 2.1 cable, you'll get up to 4K HDR with Dolby Vision, delivering vivid colors and lifelike details that pull you right into the story. Your home screen becomes your hub, bringing together movies, shows, and live TV from over 800 free channels like Pluto TV and Tubi. And with personalized recommendations for everyone in your household, there's always something fresh to watch. The redesigned remote is a game changer. You can use your voice to find shows, get answers, or control your smart home. You even get a customizable button for instant access to your favorite app. And if the remote goes missing, just make it ring. With the new home panel, you can dim lights or check a live camera feed without missing a moment. Also, casting from your phone, tablet, or laptop is as simple as a tap. Looking for the best overall streaming TV box that is fast and smart? Whether it's binge nights, live sports, or keeping the family entertained, the Google TV Streamer 4K makes it seamless, smart, and seriously stunning. That's all for our list of the top 5 best Android 15.0 TV boxes on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.